Ali, come on, drink your tea.
No, Ma.
Don't come later asking for tea.
I won't come. Having tea is not good. Don't you know, Ma? Sister, what's the name of this flower?
It's marigold, Ali.
Sister, the beans I planted have sprouted. They look so beautiful. When you grow up, we will make chips from your beans and eat it. We won't give you any. Hey, what will you benefit by offering your crops to others?
Giving others those things what you desire is virtue. You must water it.
Will the beans grow fast if you water it?
If we don't water it, they will fade.
Oh, dear beans, don't fade. I will bring water. Beep, beep, boo, beep, beep, beep. Eh? I want to catch a baby crow, but I can't climb on the tree. What to do? Idea! Oh, Allah. Hello, baby crow. Come here. I will get a nest for you. Come.
Eh?
Ya Allah.
Ali, run!
Sister!
Run fast, Ali!
Sister!
Come on fast! What? What is happening there? When Ali tried to push the nest down, they drove him away. Allah! Then where is my Ali?
So many crows. Where is my tea, Mom? Huh? No tea? Huh?
Didn't you tell us that we shouldn't be drinking tea?
All creatures have pain and sorrows like us. Never annoy any creatures. We should show mercy to them. Then only Allah will show mercy to us. Once a man came to Prophet and said, "Dear Prophet, when I was coming through the forest, I hear the sound of nestling. I put them to a box. Then the mother bird started to hover me. Prophet said, "You may put them down." When he put them down, the mother bird came near to them and started to treat them affectionately. Seeing this, Prophet said to his disciples, "Do you wonder to see the affection of the mother bird to its nestles? But Allah is more affectionate to his believers than the mother bird to its nestles. And Prophet ordered the man to put back the nestles to the nest.
Allah loves and cares us the most, isn't it?
Yeah. His mercy will be abundant on us in the coming month, which is Ramzan.
Dad, what is Ramzan?
Ramzan is the 9th month of the Arabic calendar. Do you know which the Arabic months are?
No, Dad.
Dad, isn't there a song related to Arab months? Can you sing that?
Your mother sings better than me.
Huh?
Mummy, please, Mummy, please.
Mom.
Come on, Fatima. Isn't the desire of children? We want to hear it.
Okay.
Ah ha ha ha. Ah ha ha ha. Ah ha ha ha. Ah ha ha ha. A Hijri New Year starts with sacred Muharram. On the 10th of Muharram, we have day of Ashura. Then comes month of Safar, and the 3rd is Rabi al-Awwal. Rasul born in this month, bringing light to mankind. 4th is Rabiul Akhir, 5th is Jamad al-Ula, and month Jamad al-Akhir comes as 6th in Hijri. Sacred Rajab is 7th, 8th month is Shaban, holy month of Ramadan, the 9th month of Hijri, a month to repent for sins, and a month of fasting. Jibreel sent by Allah brought the Quran down to earth. Then comes 1st of Shawwal, feast of Eidul Fitr. Follows Mandul Qada, the final month is Dhul Hajj. From the 1st to 9th day, the Muslims perform their Hajj. After 9th Arafah, 10th is feast of Bakrid. A new month has started when we see a new moon. This is a Hijri year, the global Muslim calendar. La 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 la.